Okay, I just bought this Wave 8C. It has 64 GB RAM and what else it has? Let's look at this. So 6.56 inches screen, 64 GB RAM, battery size is big, front camera 8 megapixel, rear is 13 megapixel. So this was for 68 pounds or something like that. So let's open this and see what is inside this. By the way, I got it from Amazon. Okay. Warranty card. Okay, here is the thing. Here is the actual phone. Okay, so what has it got? Screen size, battery size, camera size, memory. Okay, this is how it looks from the back. And does it turn on? It does. Let's see how long it takes. Okay. I need English UK. Is it there? No English UK. No, how can that be? If I select just English, then United Kingdom, yes. Start. Okay, I haven't put the SIM on, so let's put the SIM on. I'm gonna turn it. Let's skip this, and then I'll turn on the SIM later. Okay. I need to connect this setup offline. Okay. Let me get the password for the Wi-Fi and then we'll carry on from there. Okay, let's put the SIM on this. So let me first see. Okay, so it has an adapter, charger, looks quite nice. It has a cable for it. What I'm looking for is the pin that we need, which should be here. This is the pin I need. Okay, and I think it has some, yeah, it's a booklet of all the features and everything. Yeah, but nobody cares. Anyway, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can open this. So, okay, so it is to take this out. It came with this. That's good. And I think it's dual SIM. Where is it? Okay, it's here. Yeah, it's dual SIM, and then it has like you can extend the storage as well, I think. But let's put the SIM in. I believe it should go like this. Or is it the other way? No, it has to be this way, right? Oh, okay. And I put this in like this, and in the meanwhile I also enter the password, which I'm going to do offline and then carry on from here. Okay, I've entered the password. Let's see if it connects. Aha. Okay. This may take a few minutes. Let's see how long it takes to create this. Okay. So it's asking me, you can choose to transfer your apps, photo account, Google account, and more. Copy apps and data. Don't copy. Okay, it's asking me to sign in. I don't want to sign in. Skip. Skip count setup. Skip. I don't want Google setup right now. Use location. Allow apps and services. Okay, fine. Allow apps and services to scan for Wi-Fi networks nearby. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to accept everything. Choose your search engine. Okay, let's see if it. Oh, it allows you to search. So I'll select Google. Set as default. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna set our pin. Okay, so I have set up the pin now, and now terms of. Okay, fine. Agree with this. I'll leave this to default, whatever it is, gestural navigation. Next. Okay, here it is. So this is the main screen. How responsive it is, I just want to see. So comes with all the default apps. You can see Chrome is there, Gmail is there, all Google apps are there. YouTube, how does it work? Okay, fine. So okay, accept all. And if I search for BBC, for example, how quick it is, how is the performance of it? It seems laggy to me. I don't know. It already seems laggy. What can you expect from a 68-pound phone? Well, anyway, that's what that is. And camera. How is the camera for this? Okay. Okay, I guess I'll have to just experiment with it. And settings, what does it show in settings about the memory and everything? Let's go to about. Device name, phone number, owner, SIM status, Android 14, Bluetooth, blah blah blah. Okay, I think that's it for now, and I'll catch you later.